well, I think we're good to go here. Should be live now. Actually, I'm just gonna make sure got Twitch going here too. All right, so gonna pick up this. I think this is the 6th stream here. Oh, it doesn't echo. Gonna pick up this. I think this is the. Yeah, so this is stream 6 on this budgeting app, and we'll take a look at where we left off. I'm gonna grab my to-do list. All right, so yeah, this is kind of what I have planned for the next steps here. So we got item, finish up the new view, get all the functionality in place. I'm not gonna go deep into like UI on that yet. Just get the basic functionality in place for creating items. Then we'll finish up edit and then move on to user registration. I don't know if we'll get to that tonight, but hopefully should be able to get through these first two. And let's see where we left off. Actually, let's just get my workspaces set up here first. Okay, let's go back to due day. Let's throw that over to 6. Okay. So open up the project. And then let's open up a tab and get the server going. All right. Now let's see what things are looking like. It is so bright on my screen. I would love to just like I'm not going to build dark mode in right away here, but I kind of want to. Screen brightness isn't working right now. Okay, so I'll restart that. No. Oh, there we go. A little bit. All right, there we go. That's better. Okay, so we got our basic index view in place here with the individual due days. So you have today, tomorrow, upcoming. If there's a overdue item, it'll say overdue. When we click on an item, it takes us to our item show view, and we can mark paid, mark as unpaid. View series isn't working yet, so I don't have any series set up. Actually, that shouldn't be showing unless it is part of a series, so I'll have to address that. But I want to stay on track tonight. So let's knock this out here. So I'm going to head over to item show. vertically. I want to then go to item new. I want to grab this. So we have the same width and everything in place here. Okay. It would help if I had the application heading in place just to kind of see what our spacing is like at the top, but I'm just going to try and stay focused here. Get this out of the way. So I'm going to grab my, I want to use the same field styling as my edit. Probably not. So let's just start doing some stuff here. I don't think I need that anymore. Class, go rounded large. For the name, let's go text large. Let's add some padding in here. PY2, PX4. And then we want a border, maybe a shadow. Let's try that. Let's go full width. Okay. Might make this bold. Font bold. Kind of prefer to do this. Class, flex tall gap to. Okay. Let's just copy that in here. Okay, and let's do the same for these. Better. Maybe I'll put these on the same row here. Okay, I think I actually want to change these to, let's go, I'm trying to get into the habit of using some of my NeoVim, what is this called? It's a search and replace here, so it's percent, I think, or is it S percent, and then we go, so basically I'm going to go font bold. I want to replace it with, so I still want the font bold, but I want to add in text gray 500, and we'll just do that for all of them. I don't think I need to confirm those, I can see them all. Okay, I'm fine with that. Make that direction select field bigger. just going to copy this whole thing here. Get rid of the border there. Delete to there. Delete to there. No, delete to there. Okay. The arrow's kind of in a weird place here. I don't know why that's happening. All right, that's fine. So this is a different height here. So we don't have. You know what, I'm not gonna be too picky right now. Let's just get it all in place here. Functionality. Okay. I also need, let's go. Okay, let's go to my to-do controller. No, not to-do, item controller. Make sure we have all our fields that we need. All right, we have name, we have direction, we have due date, payment, pay days before, amount. I don't have an icon yet, so let's add an icon. So like, this is a field that I'm gonna build in a nice selector for it. It's gonna be an option of various emojis. Just for now, again, just functionality. We're gonna keep it simple, so we can get motoring on some of the other things. And just gonna use this basic select field at the moment. And then for the emoji options, I'm going to make a helper method called, what did I call the payment? Pay days by, oops. Pay days before options. So let's go icon options. Let's head over to our item helper. Grab the same thing here, basically. Going to go. Yeah, so we don't actually need both. Let's just get rid of all these. I'm gonna skip this song. It's kind of nutty. Okay. All right, so emojis. Let's add in some emojis. All right, what kind of things do we want? Well, a phone for a bill, a shirt, toothbrush, just some icons that can, like, yeah, give an idea of what kind of things you're paying. Let's do a tooth. Do a dog bone. Or it's just a, I guess it's just a bone. Could do a baby for like big. Yeah, snowboarding, why not? Surfing, sure. Let's not do it. Oh, dang. Okay. Well, forget the surfing, because that's adding something weird there. Lemon, sure. I don't know how to type in emo. What else do we want here? So like, saw like weights. Where did I see that? Oh man. There's a bike. Let's add a bike. Just doing that thing again. Try that. Just oh man. Let's just get rid of this. Okay. And what else? Say like a dog, pet stuff. Sure, we can do a cat too, I guess. A cat. Okay. Go Apple. Change this music again. Banana. Let's just go type in food. Taco. So add in some meat. Baby food. Then let's go like credit card for credit card bills. So like that invoice or something. Yeah, there we go. What else? What else? Cell phone, internet, like a computer probably would be good. TV. Is that really their only TV option? Sports, they're on a football. Is there anything for like, okay, there we go. So set a TV, let's go like popcorn and add a space. All right, I thought this might happen. These emojis kind of seem to like register odd, so I can't use this. Probably have to wrap this in strings. Oh, it's a pain in the butt. Okay, let me see if I can make a little macro thing here. I think it's called a macro. So I'm gonna go Q to start. Is it Q? To start recording. Yeah, it is recording. Okay, so I'm gonna go QJ, and I'm gonna go insert here, add that. Go to the end of it, add in this, add in that, add in a comma, go to the next one. Now I'm going to stop recording that, and I should be able to just go at j, at j, at j, at j, at j, at j, at j. All right, good. So the parser is still saying something's wrong. I'm not sure if there is actually something wrong here. Let's see. Okay, so I named it icon options. Okay, it worked. All right, got this doubling up here. Missing a comma. So the parser was not wrong. Nice, okay. What else? So I have name, direction, due date, amount, icon, status. Status I don't have because you don't want it, because it should just be unpaid always when you're creating a new item. Category, no category. Let's add that, and then paydays before we have that already as well. Okay. The whole series thing with repeating items, I'm not going to do that yet. I just wanted this basic functionality in. Basically, we'll have a select, or not a select option, but some kind of option to choose. So you have like recurring, no, or if you do choose recurring, then it'll present you with some more options, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, etc. I wanted to do category ID. So this is one I forget. It's Rails category, or not category, selection from collection helper. Select from collection. Options from collection for select. That's what I want. So let's go back here and go to our controller. Man, I always type in to do. Okay, so I'm gonna go categories equals current user dot categories dot order by name, and then we can go options from collection for select. And we can also just map it here. So I could just go, do I have a spot for it yet? No, I don't. So let's grab this. Call it category ID. And then I can just go categories.map, and we're gonna do just go cat dot so what do name first, I believe. Category cat dot name, and then cat dot ID. What looks better, that or this items for select? I think that's longer. And there are no categories yet, so it's not showing any. I also want to include a blank. So I think that goes in here. I think it's just include blank. Then you specify what you want it to be called. Not say not categorized or uncategorized. No category. Okay, good. Now let's try submitting one of these. So say internet. Let's grab a computer. Directions out, the amount, just say $100. Due date, pay on due date. Now let's go, well, let's see, after pay on due date, and create item. All right, let's see. So we have 100, we have payment date and due date working correctly. Our icon's now showing up. Series, doesn't have a series to it. And then we also have categories showing up. I'm gonna go create a category so we can create another one and make sure that's working. So let's go user.first, user categories.build. Name will be I don't know. Let's just say bills. Oh. Is there any other fields we need? Why do I have an amount in our category? And in a direction. That doesn't make sense. All right, let's fix that. Okay, we're moving from categories, and I'm removing amount and also direction. And we'll add this just to make this migration reversible. Add column. Add column. Run that. Okay. Now let's go create that category again. So now, if I go to new, you should see bills, yeah. So let's try that out. Let's call this one credit card, say MasterCard bill. Out, let's just say 30. Pay 5 days before, bills. There we go. All right, good. So that is really what I wanted to get out of the way here. Anything I wanted to change in terms of how it looks at the moment? No, not really. I'm good with all that. And again, we'll get back to styling this better and making the pictures nicer and everything later on here. Let's go to our to-dos. Check that off. I have this up later here, work on our new item UI. All right, good. Now I want to finish up our edits. Okay, so I think I want to change these icons. Maybe get rid of the background and then make the text gray 500. Which one did I just change that for? That was for amount. Okay, well, let's go here so I don't have to reload this every time. Or no, that's not what we're doing. Okay, I'm on the wrong view. Undo that, undo that. Head to our item show. And actually, I think I have that partial with our edit button here. So let's delete that. Let's go to white. Let's change that to gray 500. Try a solid pencil instead of that. I don't really like any of their pencils. try border gray. No, no border. All right, let's go with that. Does it hover? No hover effect. Let's add a hover effect. Okay. Yeah, I don't love that. I'm gonna just motor past that right now. Some of these things that can be cleaned up later. Let's get our category working though. Let's go to edit, category, there it is. And what we want is, we don't have anything going on there right now. So let's grab this. We'll pop that in here. Get rid of that. I'm gonna go grab that new select field here. I'm gonna go right here. No, we'll put it right here. Get rid of that, get rid of that. And then I need to have that here. Okay. Okay, good. Let's change the font size just to regular. Actually, we want that roundedness gone. I'm gonna grab that. Okay, close, close. Oh, we got a set height here, that's our issue. Might need to be stretched. There we go. All right, good. So now when I click edit, we're getting a pencil in here somewhere. Where's that coming from? Does that happen on these other ones? Doesn't happen on that one. Not on that one. Just that one. Where is that coming from? So item show, item edit, pencil. There's no pencil in edit at all. Is there a pencil in here? No. Why would that be staying? Do we have our turbo frames incorrectly set? So it's within our category. It's underneath that. Are we not closing something out here correctly? Attribute value, attribute name. I know. We have to go edit button false. There we go. All right. Now I should be able to select a category and categorize something, and that's saved. Good. Okay. Good. Well, I'm actually good to move on from here. So item edit. Functionality's in place. And actually most of the styling, I think that's pretty decent to start here. Guess the only other thing would be our series. So let's just add the condition in for that so it's not showing up if there isn't one there. Go, where's that? Go item show, let's go to series, and then we'll just only show this if item.series present. Good stuff. Okay, I'm gonna add a logout button so I can log out of here and actually start playing with some user registration things. What time is it? 40. Okay, I've been going for 47 minutes. Do I want to get started today with user registration? I think I'm gonna start in the next stream. I'm gonna add this logout button. Maybe I'll add in the header. Let's do that. So here we'll put, excuse me. Oh, here I'm going to put the logo. I think I do have a logo I'm going to use for this. I'll just type this in for now. The app is called Kippos. And then we'll do this. We'll go text center. Actually, no, let's go like this. Let's go list item. Say home. Yeah, home, sure. Let's go. We're gonna have forecast. We're gonna have budget. And I think that's all I'm going to put in the top. I'll have like a secondary menu with where you can find categories. Maybe. Might just find categories from the budget actually. Let's see how this goes here. So let's go link to home and we'll go root path, class. we'll say text gray 500 hover. No. Yes. Hover text teal 500. Then we'll also go do I want to make a helper method for this? I might basically want to check if we're what page we're on and then highlight the link if we're already on it. So I can go current page root path. Highlight. So let's make a helper method, I think. Current page highlight. Current page highlight. What will I need to pass in? I'll need to pass in path and do I want to make this so I can use it across other things? No, I don't think so. I think I just want to use it for the header. So let's go current page highlight. Header current page highlight. It's getting such a long method name. Let's go like that. Let's go to our helpers. Going to put this in our application helper. Header page highlight path, and we'll say so if with text teal 500 if path equals current page, no, I just write this current page is the path. Need to pass in root path. All right, didn't get the highlighting. Now we did because we're on the root path. Okay, good. So yeah, good. Now I'll do the same thing for these other ones. I don't have route set up for those yet. So actually, I'll just leave that as is, and I can add those in when those routes are set up. Now, let's go class flex gap 12 and justify center. Let's make those smaller. Text small. Let's maybe not. So text okay. Let's add in some padding px for py8. Too much. 4 and 4, and then go border B for border bottom, then we'll go border gray 200. Want a little darker, maybe? No, let's go back to 2. Let's get rid of this. All right. Better. Text is too dark. Is that 400? Oh, right. Undo. Let's see what happens when we're on a different page here. Actually, I think I want to make it smaller. Text small. And then maybe I will actually increase the padding a bit more here. PY6. All right. Let's increase the gap here too. Let's go 16. Okay. And then let's do this. For on home. Okay, good. I think I'm gonna call it dashboard, not home. Okay. Let's go 700 maybe. Okay. Font semi-bold. No. Medium. Leave it. I think I need to do this. Items center. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna see if I can find this logo. Maybe I can pop this logo in right here. I don't know if it has a transparent background though, so that might be an issue depending on the color. Okay, so I have it in my assets folder. Image tag, it's called logo.png. Okay, background's fine, good. So let's go width, class, width. Let's just go max, height, maybe like 16. Too big. 12, too big, 8. Okay, I think that's good. And then I'm just gonna go width. I don't think I need to do that, but let's just do that. And see what that looks like on mobile. I'm not gonna have these here on mobile. What I'm gonna do on mobile is I'm gonna have an actual like footer navigation. And we'll just have, actually let's hide that on mobile right now. Let's go hidden and then MD block. Okay, good. Now, do I want the plus button to add a new item up here, or do I want it up here? Let's try it up here, right in the header. That's why. That way, it's always available. So let's go back here. Let's go link to, and then it will be new item path class do end, and we'll use the font awesome FA regular FA plus. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's see what Font Awesome has for options here. Plus. So Circle Plus. Okay, that works. Let's go Circle Plus. Circle Plus. Probably solid. Whoops. And then we'll go text teal 500. Text XL. And then on hover, go hover text. We go, it's probably too big, but let's just try it 2XL. Yeah, and let's use Tailwind. We'll go hover scale 105, and we go transition. What are the Tailwind classes again? Transition all. Okay. Oh yeah, so like the way I did that was I have Raycast, and I have different extensions installed here. So like, for example, I can just type in Tailwind and search the classes for all the different Tailwind classes. So I can sort of type in transition and it shows me proper names of them. Raycast is pretty awesome. Definitely like one of the first apps I would install on any computer. No, probably the first app, because navigating around without Raycast now would be such a pain in the butt. So I use it for everything. Like even all my app mappings here, like I use Alt T to go to my terminal. I use Alt B to go to my browser T. I have like Alt Y for YouTube. Alt D for my to-dos. Okay, so, oh yeah, with Raycast, you can like create your own extensions or just scripts. I have one, so I drink quite a bit of tea, and anytime I have a designated little dashboard in the kitchen, and there's a button on the fridge that you click when you make a pot of tea, and then you click it, sets a timer, and then I get a notification on my phone once it's like ready. And I can also just type in tea in here. It'll tell me when the last pot was made. So if you want to make a fresh pot, tea was ready 2 hours ago. Or I can just go tea new, and that will like set the timer for a new one. If you're a tea drinker, it's pretty handy. All right, so where are we here? Let's check this transition out, see how it's working. That's way too small. Let's make the scale bigger. Let's go 110. It's like floating around weird. So I do need the item center. Let's get rid of this and see if that helps with the floating issue. No, I need that too. I don't think I've actually done this transition. Now we're not getting anything. Probably because 115 isn't a proper value, so let's check. So Tailwind, scale. Okay, this is not helping me here. I might have to just actually hop over to the Tailwind docs. Tailwind. Scale. So we can go 110 and then goes up to 125. All right, that's better. I like that. And I probably need to go justify between for mobile, justify between, do that. There we go. And it looks fine on here. I'm going to increase the padding a little bit on sides. Let's go 8. Too much on mobile, so let's go PX6 maybe, and then like that. Still too much. Back to 4. You know, I think the icon just needs to be bigger. So let's go to here. Let's go 2. It's better. It's better. All right, good. Okay. Do I want a max width? Yes, I do. I want a max width on this because that's way too far over there. So let's bring those in a bit. Let's do this with class MX Auto. No. We're gonna need to probably pull some of those down. So we'll go class. And then MX Auto. Actually, I can just use Flex Center. So we'll justify center. Gonna take these out. flex, add that in there. Go max width, maybe like 5 XL. That didn't work. Go width full, 5 XL, too tight. Scope to 7. Okay, that's better. So, okay, and the shadows, you know, I don't know if I'll stick with that, but it's okay for now. Font's kind of huge here for this one, and this is wonky. But again, that was just the functionality. We're getting out of the way. Let's make the logo clickable. Link to root path. We don't need anything else in here. Let's just do that. Okay, that's now clickable. Do I want to make that have a scaling effect too on hover? Maybe. Let's go class. Paste that in. I need to add in class flex justify center item center. It's a little much, kind of corny. Okay, that works. Probably do the same thing for these. Maybe, we'll see. I like that. I like that. All right. Maybe I should do the same for the item buttons. Let's do it. So let's go item. I was wondering why my head was starting to hurt. My headphones were sitting right on the nubbin of my hat. Okay, what are we doing here? So I want to add in that hover effect on the button. So we'll class hover. Okay, good. Let's paste that and then get rid of that. Yeah, I like that. That's decent. Kind of makes you want to do it for everything. What's the next one up from 125? 150. That might be real overkill. Let's try it. Yeah. 125 it is. There we go. And you know what? Let's also go hover text teal 500. Hover text teal 500. I'm gonna pull this out of here, put this up here. Okay, did I not do that? delete 2 there. It's all right. Okay, good. What do I want to do next? So I had user registration up next, but yeah, we'll start that next stream. That way we can kind of devote more. It'll probably be closer to the full episode, at least the full. Yeah, most likely, because I'm gonna do registration. Because like right now you can log in, and I'll probably just go over some of the built-in. So I use the Rails 8 authentication generator, which gave me all the base files needed and migrations needed for user. So like a user migration, gave me this migration. I just added in name, the name column, and then it gave me the sessions table. And if I go over to authentication, we have a bunch of concerns. Or we have a concern here called authentication and a bunch of methods that it has given me, which is so nice. So nice that I don't have to use devise anymore. I mean, devise, you did the job for a while, but I don't think I'm gonna miss you. Okay, so I'm going to adjust this big gap here. That's excessive now that we have that header. Oh yeah, okay. The one other thing I want to do before I finish up today is just a logout button. So, but let's get this gap in the logout button. I might forget if I don't actually add it here. Logout button. Header. No, it's under application. And we'll just shrink that to maybe 12. That's good. Now, let's add a footer in where the logout button will go. Layout / footer. Footer. This will be pretty straightforward. I don't think I'm going to add much here. Let's just go link to, or no, I think it's a button to. Yeah, I'm actually not sure with our authentication. Terminate session. So button 2. That's interesting. So I don't think we actually have a log out button built in. Unless, let's see our helpers. No, nothing there. Okay. So, Let's go like this. Do we have a logout path? Rails/info/routes. Log out. Oh, probably destroy session. Or just a session path. Okay. So it'll be session path with the method being delete. So let's go, we don't need to do this then. We can go session path. Is it going to want something past? Doesn't say, probably shouldn't. So session path method delete, and we'll call it log out. Okay. Let's go like this. Text center, text gray 400. Pretty light. And that text center doesn't work there. So let's go class text center. And then add some padding. Go px4 and then go py. Let's go MT, maybe 24. Okay, and let's shrink the size on that too. Text small. Let's go hover text teal 500. And let's try it. Nothing. Nada. Okay, got session path, methods delete, class set there. So what's happening when we push that? Is anything happening? Nothing is happening at all. Let's check out our session controller. So am I using the right helper method? Session path. Is it because it's a turbo request? Let's see. Let's go data turbo. Turbo false. All right, like nothing at all is happening. So this is probably some really stupid thing here that I am doing. All right, so button 2, yes. The path. Let's just see when I do that. Nothing. What? Rails 8 authentication logout. I've tried delete logout as destroy session logout. Turbo method delete. Okay, let's try that. Let's get rid of this and turbo method. Delete. Change it back to a button. Yeah, we're getting nothing at all here. Strange. Button 2, sign out session path method delete. That is what I have. Button 2, I don't have sign out log out. Session path method, that's what I did have. Method delete. Man, weird. Okay. Turbo false. Pretty sure I had that already too. Yeah. All right. I don't know what's going on here. This is one of those things that AI is not going to help you with either, because I'm pretty sure it doesn't know much at all about Turbo 8 or Rails 8. Let's ask. All right, say I am using Rails 8 with the Rails 8 authentication generator. The generator has been run and I have all the tables migrated. I'm attempting to create a log out button. From my routes, I'm seeing that I should likely be using the session path helper with the method set to delete, which is what I have. However, when I click the button, there is no response at all from the server or any log output upon click. And then let's grab this, just say show, this is my button, this is my button. Let's see what you got, Claude. First, let's check what routes are actually available. Yes, I did that, but I'll do it again for you. Routes, rep session. Here are the routes. There's indeed a delete. Let's try to isolate the issue. Let's just try restarting the server first. I didn't try that. Let's restart. Still nothing. All right. Let's just double check there's nothing happening. Get no delete. Okay, no post requests with delete. Okay. Back to Claude. Try the most basic form of the button first. Well, we're literally just like moving the class, I think, no? But sure, let's do it. Nothing. If that doesn't work, you should try using a form directly. That's silly. It does have a destroy action. JavaScript issue, let's see. Console. Failed to fetch, that's just one of my extensions. Actually, what the heck is that? That looks fishy. All right, well, anyway, let's clear that. I will look into that later. I don't know why. So we have a session path. So let's try this. Link to session path. Okay, so that works. So strange. I guess I should check to make sure I'm actually logged in. I think I'm logged in. If authenticated. That would be funny. Alright, well, according to that, I'm authenticated. It is displaying. Nope, nothing here that helps. Button to sign out. Now, I wonder, like, if people try it, I mean, that would be the way it should be, right? But have you tried it? So this article is saying you need to actually add a route, but we have one already. We have, yeah, he's just manually adding these in. Is it sessions path by any chance? No. It's just odd that like nothing is happening when you click it. You know what? I might be ending this stream without resolving this issue. Oh man. Well, let's just do this and see if it works. I really don't want to do that. No, still nothing. So strange. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to look into this more. I don't know what's going on here. I'll pick up from this in my next stream, probably tomorrow night. And then once this is out of the way, get started on this user registration. Right now we have login, but you can actually create a new user. You can't sign up. Okay. That's it for tonight. See you later.